How to use the preposition by in English grammar. We use the preposition by to talk about a means or method used to do something. I did it by mistake. Contact me by email. I want to pay by check. It is said to be pay cash or pay in cash and not by cash. We also use by to tell by which means of transport someone travels. He always goes to work by bus. She likes to travel by plane. We can also use by bike, by ship, by train, by road, by air, by rail. We say on foot and not by foot. By is used to make sentences on the passive. He was killed by an elephant. They were invited by Paul. She was beaten by a dog. The car was fixed by the mechanic. This house was built by my father. By allows you to talk about an action with a goal, with a verb plus ing. You can stay healthy by drinking a lot of water. By pressing this button, you turn off the computer. To talk about the author of a work, I'm reading a book by Stephen King. It's a film by James Cameron. That's a nice song by Bruno Mars to describe a person. He's an engineer by trade. By nature, she's very nervous. To express a difference, a deviation, she won by 5 points. The bullet missed me by inches. To indicate the times of day, we traveled by night and rested by day. By is sometimes used to indicate proximity. The bank is by the bakery. There's a good restaurant by the lake. My parents live by the sea. She was standing by me. By indicates a time limit. My son must be in bed by 10 o'clock. I'll be there by 9. The letter must be sent by September 15. By indicates a conformity with something. He must play by the rules. The elephant is an animal protected by law. By my watch, it's 9 o'clock. By my calculations, it's too late.